Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create your own flash on CapCut PC. So you can either use like colors or like a bright flash from this like stock footage here. So add this white background on top of your video and scale it up. Then I'm just going to kind of zoom in here so you guys can see what I'm doing. Here I'm going to go to the blend mode and I'm going to add in a keyframe in opacity. Then I'm going to set it all the way to 0, and in the middle I'm going to set it all the way to 100. Oh, I almost forgot, you need to, go to blend mode and select overlay first, and then I'll add in a keyframe here, put it to 0, and then in the middle I'm going to put it to 100, and lastly I'm going to put it back to 0 again. If the flash is too long, you can adjust it by picking the keyframe and moving it to the right, like here as well. Actually, I'm just going to make the video shorter, and then here I'm going to make the opacity to 0. And just adjust as you go. As you can see, it creates this really nice flash that you've created on your own. And that is basically it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!